is a very popular Chettinad dish. It is best served warm as an evening snack, and it's also very healthy as it is made with jaggery and coconut milk. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Paal Kolukattai, first I'm going to make the Kolukattai balls. For this I've taken half cup of Idiyappam flour or Kolukattai flour. To this I'm going to add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of ghee, add boiling water, add little at a time, mix it quickly so you can see how quickly the flour absorbs the water. So I'm going to add a little more to get the right consistency. As you can see, after adding the boiling water, the flour and the water is well combined and it's become nice, thick and pasty. Cool the mixture completely. The mixture has come to room temperature. Take a little bit of the dough and start making small dough balls. Make sure it's not too big. So this size is ideal for the Kolukattai. Take a saucepan. To this I'm adding 1.5 cups of milk and half cup of water. Bring the milk to a boil. Once the milk is heated up, drop the Kolukattai balls. Close and cook for about 15 minutes on medium flame. Next I'm going to melt the jaggery. For this I've taken 1 cup of water. Add 200 grams of jaggery. Dissolve the jaggery completely. Once the jaggery is melted, let it boil on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Turn off the stove, keep it aside. The Kolukattai balls have been cooking in the milk for about 15 minutes. They are cooked nicely. Just give it a quick stir so you can see the milk is thickened beautifully. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Keep the flame on low. Now add 1.5 cups of thick coconut milk. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. It's about 5 minutes since I've added the coconut milk. Turn off the stove. Now strain the jaggery into the saucepan. Gently mix it so it's all well combined. Now the Paal Kolukattai is ready to be served. So there you go. Here is this delicious Paal Kolukattai. Just looking at it is making me drool. It's best to let the Paal Kolukattai sit for about 30 minutes before serving. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.